Hi friends! Today I'm going to make clay beads, a pretend clay fossil. Let's do it together nice and slow. First, clay beads. I have soft, non-toxic air-dry clay. I take a tiny pinch, about the size of a blueberry. Roll it gently between my hands. Roll, roll, roll. We make a little ball. Good job. Now I press my finger on the ball, just a tiny bit, to make it round and smooth. To make a hole, I use a safe, dull stick, like a straw, or a craft stick. Poke through the middle, twist slowly, then turn it over and poke from the other side. Wiggle the stick so the hole is smooth for string. Let's make a few more. Red, blue, yellow. Roll, poke, and smile. Put the beads on a clean tray. We let them dry. Drying can take a day. When they're dry, a grown-up can help you thread them on a string. Bead, bead, bead. And tie a knot. Hooray! Now, a clay fossil. Take a bigger ball of clay and press it flat like a cookie. I find a leaf, a clean shell, a toy dino footprint. Press it gently into the clay. Push, push, and lift. Wow, look at the pattern. That's our pretend fossil. Let it dry on the tray. While we wait, we can look at pictures and videos of clay and leaves on pexels.com. Search clay beads, leaf imprint, kids crafting. So many pretty ideas. Time to tidy up. Wipe the table. Wash hands. We made beads for a bracelet, or necklace, and a fossil to show and tell. You did amazing, friend. See you next time for more gentle making.